G'day guys, Scott McPharlin and Patrick Che here from Magain Real Estate, and welcome to 1 Gillian Close in Noarlunga Downs.
Got a fantastic courtyard home for you. It's on a great sized piece of land. It's on a corner with side access, and it's got a good sized backyard backing onto some parkland as well. It's been freshly painted inside and it's neat and tidy, and it's exactly the sort of thing that all the first home buyers and downsizers will be looking for. So let's jump inside and take a look around.
There you have it guys, this property is situated in a fantastic location, close to schools, close to colonnades, and only a 5-minute drive to the beach. I'm Patrick Che from Magain Real Estate. Scott and I can't wait to see you at an open soon.